Literal na parang nasa heaven ka kasi ang sasarap ng pagkain dito. Tapos visually appealing pa. Dito nga kami nagpunta sa Heavenly Desserts by Chef Jeng, SM Fairview Branch. Ang cute ng resto nila kasi pink na pink, classy at may cherry blossoms pa. Perfect na magpa-picture dito. They offer wide variety of options talaga, parang lahat gusto kong tikman. Famous sila sa masasarap na pastries and desserts. First, I tried the BLT sandwich. Loaded din ito ng bacon, lettuce, tomato, and cheese. This one is savory and ang generous ng size. Nakakabusog din yung kanilang chicken and cheese rice bowl na flavorful and tender. Moist chocolate cake junior, OMG, ang ganda-ganda ng cake na to. Siguro if may magre-regalo sa akin, ito yung gusto kong matanggap. Look at the layers. My moist Belgian chocolate cake na super chewy and fudgy. Brigadeiro feeling is indulgent and melts in your mouth na may hints of caramel. Milk chocolate ganache is smooth, creamy, and velvety texture. With fresh strawberry on top, ang dreamy ng dessert na to. Cupid strawberry, perfect na perfect to, lalo na sa mga sweet tooth. Ang daming toppings, may whipped cream, merang na melts in your mouth, ube macaron, sprinkles, may fresh strawberries, chocolate, pokey, sugar cone, and strawberry milkshake inside. Yung classic tiramisu in a cup, ito yung layers, lady fingers biscuit, creamy mascarpone filling, espresso, cocoa powder, and dark chocolate. Ang sarap nito lalo na pag chilled, nagbabalance yung bittersweet coffee, creamy, velvety, and melts in your mouth. Para ka talagang nasa heaven sa sarap ng food at lalo na ng dessert and pastries nila. Buti na lang ang dami na din nilang branches, maganda din mag-date dito or to meet up with your friends or to dine with your family. Everything na natry namin dito is masasarap talaga. I-recommend ko na itry nyo din dito sa Heavenly Desserts by Chef Jeng.